Here at UACCB, the Farm and Ranch program is preparing our students to be leaders in agriculture, the #1 industry in the state of Arkansas. We are taking precision agriculture and technology and making our students prepared to enter the workforce and be leaders in the field of agriculture. Hi, I am Dr. Patricia Harrelson, and I am a Farm and Ranch instructor at UACCB. The Farm and Ranch program is designed for students of all backgrounds. Whether they have experience in agriculture or not, this program will provide them with so many opportunities. So the students in the Farm and Ranch program will get to drive tractors, they will get to work with our cow herd, they will get to plant different seeds in our garden. They will be harvesting different plants. There's so many different hands-on skills that they will get the opportunity to do and not just see demonstrated, and that's a key to our program.